welcome to my channel. My name is Lily Eithe. It's like the word either but without the R. And if it is your first time here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my socials at Lily Eithe. And for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make lemon poppy seed muffins. I love muffins, like all types of muffins. Muffins are just very good. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. For this recipe, you're going to need flour, baking powder, baking soda, poppy seeds, sugar, milk, unsalted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and lemons. In a large bowl, you are going to combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and poppy seeds, and then you're just going to mix that together and set it aside. In a separate bowl, you are going to combine the sugar, milk, melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and lemon juice, and then you'll just whisk it all together and the batter will be pretty thick. Also, I have no idea what is up with these eggs. I cracked them like normal, you know, on the side of the egg, but they both broke on the bottom, which was so weird, but whatever. Alright you guys, that was the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you will try this recipe out. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.